And I'm like, man, Josh, I wish I learned how to speak Seagull. I'm like, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on. It was so fucking
every
funny,
time,
man.
because I'm the fucking kind of thing. This is how Josh fucking unloads his stuff. Yeah, he's always like that. That's what I do to him too. It's like he fucking mows it, like he's like, yeah. You know, he fucking mows him. I know, he always does. He's always doing that stuff.
When you work with my dad in Burnside, my dad says, unload this freezer for me. And Josh is like, I can't let it. I fucking grabbed a fucking freezer by myself. I walked down the fucking gasol and carried all the upstairs by myself.
Yeah?
My mom was just fucking laughing at it. She's like,
well, I know, remember?
Fucking guys are fucking.
Remember when you see Josh throwing those tubs out? He's like, you can barely throw them out of the pocket. He was like fucking firing them out of the pocket. Fucking like 150 bucks. Like, ooh.
Is it on the loudest volume?
I don't know. No. A little bit, not that much though.
I don't know how.
The speaker.
Get a picture.
Right there.
There's a blonde, a brunette, and a red.